Let's learn phonics.
S for snake. A for apple. T for table. P for pig. I for igloo. N for nest. M for mouse. D for dog. G for goat. O for octopus. K for cat. K for kite. K for rocket. E for elephant. A for umbrella. R for rabbit. H for house. B for ball. F for flower. F for muffin. L for ladybird. L for bell. S for grass. J for jelly. V for van. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yogurt. Z for zebra. Z for buzz. Qu for queen. Ch for chicken. Sh for shark. F for think. V for brother. Ng for sing. A for snail. E for sheep. I for night. O for boat. U for moon. For book. R for star. O for fork. For burger. Ow for cow. Oi for coin. Ear for beard. Air for chair. U for treasure. For hammer.